What's up, y'all? So I'm here in Irving. They have a flea market, and today I'm gonna try Cousins Maine lobster. I'm gonna show you guys so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So the lobster is coming from Maine, and I think it's gonna be dope. Me and my son, wherever he went. Look, he's over there. He don't want to be seen, y'all. He's always like that. Yeah, but that's what we're doing today. Gonna try it here at the flea market here in Irving, right here off of North MacArthur, across from Wendy's. They have it every other weekend, the flea market, so they have like different types of vendors here, including like raw honey, organic vegetables and fruit. They also have the Boy Scouts out here today. So they have barbecue, Mexican food, and all other things. But it's right here in Lambert's parking lot. And that's what I'm gonna be doing today and chilling. And that's about it. I don't know why my son be tripping like this. Look, he taller than me, y'all. But just giving y'all a little smile after the events that has happened in the last 2 weeks. Baron, say hey. What you want them to call you? Huh? What you want them to call you? What you want them to call you? What? What is it? What you want them to call you? What you want that? Ladies. Mr. Sexy Nigerian man. Barry, what you want them to call you? You want them to call you B?
No, just my name.
This B, y'all. Lil B.
No.
Lil B.
No, it's already a little B.
Yeah, you the Lil B.
No,
Lil Baron.
no, just call me my regular name.
But y'all, yeah, I'm waiting on my food here at the Irving Flea Market. They come every other Saturday. I'm waiting on my lobster roll at Cousins Maine Lobster. I can't wait to try it. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. Yeah. So I'll be back with more. Oh yeah, today I'm repping my sweatshirts that my dad had. Rest in peace. Messy way of life. Yes. So we're walking back to the car. He's holding it for me. He's actually allergic to seafood. So we don't know. Yeah, we don't know. We know he's allergic to tilapia, but we all know where tilapia is farm raised. So, you know, no shots to the people that really love tilapia, because I do too. But yeah, so walking back to the car. It's looking real nice. The tots and the lobster roll.
I was trying to go to it, like to my side.
Look.
Thumbnail. Oh my god. Wait, get to the car.
So yeah, we just finna get this done, and we'll be back.
Purchase with bonus coupon. That's it.
So
Shop 2 p.m. to
here we go.
15% off your purchase with coupon. Shop business
Show that chat. Yes. Yes. I got the buttery one. That's what I got. I don't know the difference. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know the difference. But I got the buttery one, and they had the other one with mayo. I ain't really had mayo in my lobster before, so I know I had butter and lemon. So that's what it is. It's butter and lemon. Okay. This shit was pricey, but when it's seafood, you can't go wrong. And it's going to be pricey, so it is what it is.
Velvet tufted sofa and a brushed gold lamp to go with a marble coffee.
I tried to turn it down.
And a colorful hand woven rug.
You know what?
That Italian leather chair or gold
These tots would have been good with some seasoning on it.
Seasoning.
What you think?
I don't know.
You ain't tater tots.
Yeah, I do, but.
Oh, they have lobster tots. They had lobster tacos. What else did they have?
Grilled cheese, lobster.
Lobster grilled cheese.
Yeah, that's all. That's what I saw. Damn.
You think you can eat some tater tots? Probably not.
What it's like, man.
The lobster roll is on Texas toast.
That's it.
My first time having a lobster roll, actually.
Crunchy, huh? Oh, is it?
That's good.
But you don't have to wait on saving. Your local Geico agent can help you save even more with federal military discounts.
You couldn't save yourself autocorrect, but you could save yourself hundreds. Visit online, over the phone, or at your local office.
What's so funny?
You move your fingers like that?
She helps me say bye to shaving and hello to silky smooth legs. That's because Julie is my skin, face, and body specialist.
When it's made right.
She and her team of highly trained vet pros worked with me to design a laser hair removal plan for flawless skin.
What was that?
50% off laser hair removal.
I swallowed too much.
60%
Got
off
you.
plus free Botox. Healing
Woo!
your hair has never been more affordable. Ideal Image has done more laser hair removal treatments than anyone else. From bikini to legs and underarms. Every
This sweatshirt made me look fatter.
advanced FDA-cleared lasers. They'll help you get silky smooth results you'll definitely want to talk about. Say hello to a Julie near you. Head over to idealimage.com and get 60% off laser hair removal plus free Botox. That's idealimage.com. Minimum purchase required. Visit us online.
I guess I get me a phone. What's it called?
Tripod?
A phone mount
Oh, yeah, the thing.
for the car. What happened to my other one? It's somewhere in this car. I threw it on the floor and I don't know what I did with it. It might be back there.
You probably mad you threw it on the floor.
I did, because it kept falling. So, Baron,
What? This is my first vlog.
let's talk about what you like to do.
Alright, bet.
Baron likes to draw and do animation. Ain't it right?
Well, I haven't done animation in so long, so they probably bad now.
It's never bad when you got a talent.
Somewhat. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like
I bet the lobster tots are good. What's that?
I heard coughing and stuff. Probably is. I never heard of that before until today. We don't need no copyright in here. I said we don't need no copyright in here.
I know. Why didn't it have it turned down?
You turned it down. You was the last person to turn it down. I turned it down first. Then you turned it down. Then I was
I'm tired of being copyrighted.
boy. I'm just whatever.
Turn that out. We need some gas. We gotta stop some gas. Kennedy not here today. She left me. She went with her cousin. Her favorite cousin.
So it just me. The firstborn.
My hair is still up, you guys. I just put it in the bun. It's time to come down. My hair is frizzy.
We gotta go to Trader's Village one time, man.
Trader's Village.
We got a vlog there, dude.
Maybe
Yeah, this is a good
we
day,
should
bro.
do
But
a Trader's Village vlog.
yeah,
Let me know in the comment if y'all want to see Trader's Village. It's like a flea market. It's bigger, but they done added rides. They got a lot of food places.
Yep.
They even got turkey legs, and they pretty good. But y'all are like that. Let us know.
We're gonna try that. I like the whole like this.
My child didn't want nothing to eat.
Yeah, no.
At least he didn't want this.
Yeah.
You know, hey.
He like that. I don't know where your your phone down.
What?
Your phone.
I don't see how people wear these. They hurt my head. Right there. It's gonna be sweat tomorrow.
On the phone. You can link that Instagram and what you call it. That Instagram.
Link it in.
Oh,
What is that?
crayon. Never seen it. Is that good? I ain't talking like
I got some real lobster from Maine. I heard lobster bisque was off the chain. My uncle told me that. I'm gonna have to do a video on that too.
what?
Lobster bisque.
What is that?
I'm not gonna say where I'm getting it from into the video. What are you going through?
I'm trying to get my foot out.
I should have got a Sprite.
You should have got a Sprite, because I saw people with them. I could have just got a Sprite.
He asked me, but when people offer me soda, I try to get water instead.
And then you be like, oh, dang.
It'd be so tempting.
Oh, shoot.
Soda be so tempting. But I always get water. And besides, I had soda yesterday. And I didn't need no more soda.
That's hard.
And I don't drink soda like that. I'm a juice person, but I don't drink that like that either. I don't even buy it.
I lied, but I
So
like
it won't tempt me. I got my top.
Man, I'm trying to. I want to get on it. That's how I could.
The joys of not having a phone.
That's how I can start. That's how I can start by editing. I mean, doing animations. Ain't no phone. It's hard, man. It's hard out here with no phone. What you making on that? Is that your other phone? Was that your other phone? I'm just out here.
Is it? I thought it was charging. Oh, it's in my pocket.
No, you charging that phone, your vlogging phone.
I'm getting another phone. Actually, I'm gonna get a camera.
Nah, get that S10, bro. That camera.
I'm getting a camera.
Bro,
I need a camera
The
to
S10,
do what I needed to do.
The S10 got everything. So you rather record on the camera than upload your videos to PC.
I can record on both.
Wait, what? You said what?
I can record on both.
The S10 got the built-in editing thing. Well,
As y'all see, my quietest child is actually by talking to the child.
yeah, when it
Because when Kennedy got on here, when I put her on here, she didn't want to be on here. She didn't even want to talk.
when it comes to stuff I know, I talk.
She got shy.
I was shy at first.
Anyway, I'm trying to upload more and be more interactive. If y'all could comment some ideas for me, that'd be great. That would be real great. I have a makeup video coming soon as well. On a bride to be. I need to do my hair. Maybe I'll do that video. Not really sure. It all depends on how I feel. Anyway, I think Baron done finished talking. Or Lil B.
Don't call me that, man.
Lil Baron.
Nah, just call me by my regular name.
And then if we put Lil Baron,
Nah, don't do that.
it would be like, ain't that a car? Lil Baron.
No, don't do that. Just keep my regular name.
I think you Papa Glenn liked Lil Baron. I don't know. I think I did hear him say that one day. I don't know. I lost an $18 piece of lobster.
$18.
It dropped. What? What?
I just found out about that today.
What?
That it was another.
The charger in the
Yeah.
compartment.
I just noticed that today. We had this car for a long time.
Well, you guys, I done ate all my lobster.
What's on red? Oh my god.
You want that? They don't fry lobster.
Oh no.
You know I don't like tater tots like that. Or fries. There has to be with some chili
Refocus.
or
It's a good video, man.
chili and cheese.
You gotta throw up this video too.
Yeah, don't forget to Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. A lot of people forget to like my videos, but they watch it.
Well, it just be.
They probably be just like me. I get into the video, then I forget to go like it, and then I have to go back and like it.
I like it before.
Because that's what I just started doing. I just started liking it before the video.
I like it if I see something funny. I don't know why.
Then what if I get into the video and then I don't like it? Then I have to go back and take my thumb up off and give it a thumb down. I very rarely do that though.
I don't throw down videos unless it's a fake.
I tell you one thing, I done got into, y'all should check out Slice and Rice. I love them. They are dope.
I watch the cooking channel.
In my sad time that I'm going through, they have really made me laugh.
I don't know what that is.
Slice and Rice?
Mm-hmm.
It's about this couple. They're doing like episodes of them trying each other's culture.
Oh.
One is African American and one is Asian or Korean.
Oh, that's
Excuse
that
me,
Kennedy
I don't want to
stuff.
butcher it.
That's that Kennedy stuff.
She didn't know about them either, so I think she started watching them too. But they do like a lot of different stuff, and they are so funny, and I love their positive attitude and energy. Go check them out, Slice and Rice. They dope. I'm gonna have to put a link at the bottom so y'all see. Slice and Rice. It's awesome. They be trying Korean food and everything.
Honeycomb chicken.
So,
Kennedy
but anyways,
Kennedy got me wanting to try it.
again, this is Sincerely Yours. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to cut some parts out.
And Lil B.
No, stop with that. No.
I'm not cutting nothing out. This is all raw.
Raw footage.
We raw dogging this.
That's funny.
Anyways. Okay. Anyways. Do you have a channel?
Not anymore.
Not anymore, he said. What was the name of your channel? You do. Your channel's still up there. What's the name of it?
My videos are not. I don't have any videos.
He took them off.
Cause I was
and
like,
they were so cute.
No.
It was before his little voice went into maturity. It was so cute. He was like, hey, you guys. What's up? This is Baron.
Oh, yeah, I was doing my wrestling figure stuff.
He did wrestling animation. What little kid do you know does wrestling animation? As a little kid, that tells you that's your blessing. That's your calling. You better get into that and make some money.
Okay, you gonna tell me about some wrestlers? I bet I'll do it.
You can buy your own wrestlers.
No,
you grown. You are grown.
I'm not 17 yet.
You are 16. You grown.
I'm not 17 yet.
Once you hit 16, you grown.
17. That's what
Ain't that right?
I think it's 17.
Whatever. But anyways, we out this.